Okay, it's me again. It's probably about noon. This is about 11:45 when I started this video earlier, but had trouble with my cell phone. Anyways, what you're looking at right now is Miss Tucker on the left. I had her for 14 years. And the picture on the right is just a picture of a crawdad I found at work that was all dried out and died, all of his body parts, and I ended up taking a couple pictures of it and printing them out. Some people want me to if you see the picture real close up, move the camera. You should get the light from me. You can see a blue, green. I don't know, it's just a cool picture. Anyways, this is really about a t-shirt I ordered about 3 weeks ago from Anti-Establishment. I just got it in the mail. They had trouble mailing it. They were getting the shirts ready or something, but it might offend some people. It's got a cuss word in it. I don't really care if everybody knows, but I've been Republican all my life. As soon as this election, whatever you want to call, is over, I'm unregistering as a Republican. Don't know what I'm going to register as, but it's not going to be Democrat, definitely. Yeah, but what else does it say? Can you read it? Sex. The government F's me every day. Anyways, it's black. I like it. Took me a while. But yeah, it's a company off the internet I found called Anti-Establishment. I could probably provide a link if anybody wanted to. They got a bunch of other t-shirts. So anyways, that's all that is. Plus, do a little weather update real quick. I miss my baby girl. I had to put her down January 2nd, 2014. And she's 14 years old. She would have been 14 in May. But where's Krabby? I'm gonna name it Crawdad. But anyways, again, oh, the stray cats out there. It's nasty cold compared to what it's been. We've had a lot of heavy rain since the storm video I put up. It's about 58 degrees. Low 49 tonight. Kitty cat's trying to come in. Alright, I hope everybody has a good weekend. I've got to work all weekend. I guess the flowers will be okay in the back. But fall is finally here. Let me tell you. I'm glad I cleaned the gutters out yesterday. But truth, peace, freedom, love to all, and have a great weekend. Nope. This little baby has a black brother or sister, and it hangs around this guy, and they're all males. He protects them all. Yeah, I normally don't feed them on the front, but it's really strange how the relationship is between this cat and that cat, okay? This yellow one's finally let me pet it after about 6 months. He must have been a house cat at one point in time. But there's another yellow cat about the same size in a lot better shape. And the little gray kitty, stray kitty, look, he's looking at me. He won't let me pet him yet. But his brother, the black one, hangs around the other yellow male. And I'm pretty sure both of them are male. This gray one could be a female, but I'm almost positive he's male. What you doing? What you doing, kids? I'm about to get you a box built again from the backyard. Had to throw away the one I built this year. It was about 5 years old. And any of the strays that knew it was there would go in there and sleep. It was like triple insulated for the cats. Even had a possum sleep in there one night. I had a bunch of paper ground up, shredded, plastic wrapped, you name it. Anyways, alright, have a good weekend. And man, I hate to have to work. It's going to be cold tomorrow morning. So, peace out.